today we have a deal, smoking deal on this 12 amp hour battery starter kit with the fast charger. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. Just the way YouTube runs the platform by subscribers and likes. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're at acmetools.com. I'll leave the link down below in the description section. Big shout out to the tool boss. He did have this deal first, so big shout out to him. This is the 12 amp hour, the rapid charger. Says high output 12 amp hour battery charger starter kit for $249, guys. And then it says down here, select Milwaukie Bear tool of your choice, 12 amp hour starter kit with purchase. So you click on that. You get to select the hacksaw, the fuel hacksaw 159 value, or you get to select the light. This probably will be a nice light with this battery, but either or, great deals. Personally, I'll probably just go with this one. I got too many lights already. So yeah, so there's a whole bunch of stuff you guys could choose. Even this one for select free bear tool fuel kit with purchase. Let me just click on it and see what it says. I'm just trying to get to the cart. I don't know, it keeps asking me to go to the cart. Yeah, only this one says select free gift. So we're just going to go ahead and select the free gift from this one. So on this one, we'll select the hacksaw. Apply. There you go, guys. So free gift, Milwaukie Bear tool, your choice promotion, minus $159. So this is basically free. You're only paying $249. If you put it this way, you're only paying $100 for this. So definitely check it out. You're getting the fast charger, which is a great deal on that. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.